Residents in Kent Village, St. Catherine, are crying out for help over what they described as a significant fish kill along the Rio Cobre. They pointed out that the river has been contaminated for days now, but the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, is saying otherwise. Kalisha Williams has that story.
1999, 2004, 2005, 2018, 2019. Now, the residents who live along the banks of the Rio Cobre in Kent Village, St. Catherine, are back in the news again, and their concerns are no different than they have been in recent years.
It happens so many times, we're sick of it, we're tired of it.
The river has been in spate since the recent heavy rains, but residents told us there were still signs that the water was contaminated.
They are blighting our future. The young kids, them swim in the river, them play in the river daily. Was now school, now open. You know the kids, them they home, and them always in the river, and this bad for them health.
We were told the water has been contaminated all week, and residents have not been able to retrieve their fish pots.
Lying in the Rio Cobre, the bed of the Rio Cobre, are fishes that were killed over the weekend. And the place is very contaminated. As we are standing right now, it's very, unbearable.
Now, as they watch and wait for the water to return to normal, the residents are irate of the lack of response from the authorities.
We want to know what's going on. Because the river we live off of, buy with daily bread. And you see, right now we don't have no fish to catch in the river, so right now we need somebody to come out and talk to us.
Contamination aside, they also pointed to work they have been doing to clean up the river since 2019, but have not been getting any financial support.
Clean up the river, come down and last time we get permission to clean up the dead fish and everything, and we go ahead and clean it up, and we don't get compensated, nothing at all. I see everything up, man, and right now we're not on a patch, everything get damaged back right now, so right now we're like, it mash up everybody's livelihood in the area, so we know what.
In 2019, residents filed a lawsuit against alumina processors Windalco after the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, linked the pollution to effluent flowing from its storage ponds after heavy rainfall. The matter is still ongoing. As it relates to Friday's incident, NEPA said a team carried out an assessment in the area, but there was no odor or evidence of polluted substances in the water. It said the team noticed a few small catfish in a decomposed state on the riverbanks. Further checks revealed that the pH of the water is within the background standard. The agency is assuming that the turbulent state of the river during the recent heavy rains may have caused this occurrence. NEPA said it is not classifying the incident as a fish kill. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.